This is Mal. He is one of the founders of MakerSwap. And this is Lush, Mal's wife. As a lifelong tinkerer, Mal had accumulated a diverse collection of tools for his various projects and hobbies.
Drill press. Plasma cutter. Literally cuts through anything. 24-litre air compressor. Needed this to make my plasma cutter work. DeWalt miter, so that means I can literally cut wood at any length or angle.
You said that was for making cabinets for the kids' room.
BMW X39BC. It removes the plastic bolts that hold the windows in place in a Mini.
Used once, 6 years ago.
Mal realized that many of the tools that he had purchased over the years had seen very limited use. Most of the time, they would just sit in his garage, gathering dust. Then Mal had the brilliant idea to share his tools with other makers, so that they wouldn't have to spend money buying things that they would only use once, and which would sit around collecting dust in their garage. So Mal created MakerSwap. MakerSwap is an online marketplace where anyone can list their tools so that other makers can rent them, instead of having to buy them. You set the prices for your tools and their availability. Other makers can then find your tools and use the booking system to reserve them. All the money is collected online and all transactions are insured for damage or loss. So you can help other makers with their projects and generate some cash.
Is that an X39BC?
MakerSwap. Let's build something amazing.